Hey guys, welcome back to the Notice 10 video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss that if you shows this error that unable to activate iMessage could not be activated because this device is not signed into a different Apple ID. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just go back and first of all guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone, iPad or any other iOS gadget. So click here on settings and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this guys, you may click here on your Apple account and guys you may click here on sign out and sign out your Apple ID from here, then sign in again. Then guys you may go back and you may click here on apps and click here on messages. So let's check, you may scroll it on and click here on messages and you may turn on iMessage and then you may click on send and receive and you may select your Apple ID from here. Then guys you will check your problem will be fixed. The second method is guys, if your problem is still not fixed and this error shows again, then guys you may go back again in settings and guys you may click here on general. So click here guys and you may click here on transfer or reset iPhone. Click here, click on erase all content and settings and guys you may reset all your iPhone and then guys you may log in with your Apple ID and you will check your problem will be fixed. So guys, before reset your iPhone, you make a backup of your iPhone and then you may restore your backup, otherwise all data will be erased or deleted. After this guys, you may reset your iPhone, then you may click here on messages again and you may select your Apple ID from here, turn on your iMessage, select your Apple ID and you will check now your Apple ID is working properly. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.